Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to check out what I have cooking today. I really appreciate you being here. And today's a special one because I've gotten the request for this several times, and I hope you enjoy it. This dish is generally prepared for special occasions, but if you're feeling fancy, you can make it on a Tuesday. So stay, enjoy, let me know how you like it, and if you decide to give it a shot, let me know how yours turns out. So let's get started. So we're gonna chop these in the food processor. Oh my gosh, the food processor is a lifesaver for Habesha cooking. We're going skinless and chopping off the end of the drumsticks. Not sure why, but that's how I grew up on it, so that's good enough for me. And traditionally we would use the whole chicken, but today we're going with drumsticks. And drumsticks are my favorite anyway, so it works. But in the future I'll do a video on breaking down a chicken, so be on the lookout for that. And now we're gonna wash the chicken thoroughly, just deep cleaning in a mixture of water, lime, and salt. And let that soak until you're ready to cook it. So put that in the refrigerator until you're ready to put it in the pot with the rest of the ingredients. And here are the ingredients. So top left we have the chicken that's still in the water, salt, and lime mixture. Right below that we have the berbere, and to the right of that we have the eggs, and we have the butter, the garlic, the ginger, salt, cardamom, and the black cumin, and right above that we've got the chopped onions. I cannot stress enough the importance of stirring frequently when you're making Doro. Dodo is actually not a hard dish to make, but it does require lots of attention so that you can get the right flavor going with it. So just make sure you pay close attention to it and keep that heat on medium high, just so you have that flexibility to get it to the right flavor that you need. And also while you're stirring, you want to keep your boiled water next to you so you can add a little bit at a time until you get the right texture and the right consistency of the mixture of the onions and berbere that you desire.